guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having a fantastic day so far. This is StellaZone. If you are new to my channel, please take a few seconds of your precious time and hit that red subscribe button and also the notification bell icon on the side so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be one of the first amazing ones to get a notification. Thank you for subscribing. All right, so let's get into today's video. I'm doing an unboxing video. This is not advertisement, okay? We paid for this, okay? We paid for this. So you might be wondering what this is. This is actually chicken that I ordered online. This is farm-raised, pasture-raised chicken, okay? And the reason why I did a lot of research about the company, you know, I did follow them on Instagram. I did read about them and what they stand for and what their meat is all about. So I was contemplating between this one and butcher box, but I ended up going with grassroots, okay? So the reason why I'm doing this is that I get sick and tired, like even when you go to the natural food store that is supposed to be, you know, a lot of quote unquote organic, it will say natural chicken, you know, 100% natural chicken, and that means nothing, okay? When you slap a natural label on something, it's nothing, okay? It is nothing. So I want 100% pasture raised, okay? Cage free, just quality meat, you know? And that is difficult to find in America. Since I've been here, you know, in Ghana, when you cook chicken, I'm telling you, somebody from 2 miles from your house can smell the aroma of the chicken you're cooking. But in America, you can marinate chicken for like 24 hours, do all that you gotta do, and still it will not come out right. And at this point, my son is trying to crawl on the counter. So I decided to find a bit of home here, okay? And when I say a bit of home, the taste of the chicken, you know, you get from like in Ghana, I am yet to find that. So that is why I decided to go for a pasture raised, because that's what the chickens in Ghana, you know, they roam about, they have friends, they go visit their friends, they come back in the evening, or you know,
get eaten.
So the meat is like really tasty. Even beef, when you go to Ghana and you buy beef, you know, because the beef is 100% grass fed. You know, these Fulani people, they take the cows to grazing, but here when you taste beef, it's different, you know, it's different. And it can be pricey when you want like 100% grass-fed and grass-fed. So this is $125 worth of meat that Steven and I got.
Of chicken.
Of chicken, okay. Chicken is meat, honey.
Yeah, that's not the only meat.
Oh, this is packaged really well. Look at that. All right, so there's some form of like a foam. And then there's like ice. Yeah, there's dry ice. There's 2 of them. The one is empty, so I'm going to put this in the sink. Okay. All right. Okay. So let's take them out.
Let's turn it outside. Right there, that's $125.
This is $125 worth of meat, so you can tell that it's a bit
So show them what we got.
Okay, so I got a whole chicken, okay, and it does say, it will say where your meat is coming from, okay. So I have a whole chicken, and this is the chicken backs. You can make some really good
chicken back?
Yeah, the back of the chicken, which is good for making chicken broth. Remember I said I was going to make some chicken broth for Nathaniel? Mm-hmm. I did get some, what is this one? This is boneless breast, because I wanted to make some chicken nuggets. Mm-hmm. So I did get some chicken breast for Nathaniel as well. I did get some chicken neck. Chicken neck, okay, look, do not underestimate this African girl, okay? It is so tasty when you make light soup and you get fufu with, I'm telling you. So, chicken neck. This is chicken thighs, okay? This is chicken thighs. And then, what is this? This is chicken wings. This is chicken wings. And this is drumstick. So yeah, this is the chicken wing selection, you know, to make wings. Chicken drumsticks, okay, and chicken liver. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got 9 items.
That should last us a while.
This should last us a while. Yes. Remember, I have that with me too. So this is it. It's pretty well packaged. Like I said, I'm going to cook with it, and I will let you know, because if it's not what it is and it's still like the ones I get in the store, they're gonna hear from me. But if it's like it lives up to its name and you know it's nice and tasty, I will definitely go back. And so let me know what you guys think. Would you guys go to this length just to get the real thing, or the, you know, like I said, the organic thing, pasture raised? Would you buy meat online? It's become a really common thing now. Like butcher box is really common. I remember my father-in-law just got some meat from butcher box. So and I think butcher box is like a subscription thing, but this is you pay like one time. You just pay whatever you want to buy, so you just order what you need. So thank you guys for tuning in, and hit that subscribe button. I'll make some Ghana soups and let you know how it goes. Thank you and have a blessed day. Bye bye. Subscribe.